And it's Marcellus here, Marcellus Law. Have a listen to this story. A client of mine approached our office, having been remanded for about 3 months in custody. He was remanded on aggravated home invasion. Police were alleging that my client, as well as some co-offenders, had broken into a house, had weapons on them, assaulted some members of the house, caused some damage to the property, and then left. One of the witnesses says, "Oh yeah, that was the guy that I saw a couple of weeks back." Described him as a blonde guy, average height. Well, a couple other witnesses also said that it was dark inside the house, kind of making identification a lot more difficult. But the last thing police were relying on, that they often rely on but not very successfully. Apparently he was receiving text messages and calls within a few kilometers from that address. Funny thing was that my client actually lived about 2 kilometers from that address, so naturally, if he was at home, his phone would be pinging. There were some serious identification and evidential issues with this case. What happened at court? After some thorough negotiation and after a committal hearing, it was very clear that the witnesses were unreliable and that the evidence was weak. Charges were promptly withdrawn and my client avoided 6 years in jail. Aggravated home invasion? Come to Marcellus Law if you want to defeat the charge.